Welcome to my channel. Try this quiz and see how many questions you can get right. Let's get started.
Question 1. Who is the head of the Australian government? A. The Prime Minister. B. The King of Australia. C. The Governor-General. D. The Speaker of the House. Correct answer, A. The Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the leader of the Australian government. The Prime Minister leads the federal government, makes national decisions, and is responsible for running the country. The Governor-General represents the head of state, and the King is Australia's head of state, but neither of them leads the government. Question 2. Who is currently Australia's head of state? A. His Majesty, King Charles III. B. Her Majesty, Queen Elizabeth I. C. Her Majesty, Queen Elizabeth III. D. Her Majesty, Queen Victoria III. Correct answer, A. His Majesty King Charles III. Australia is a constitutional monarchy and a member of the Commonwealth. This means that the King or Queen of the United Kingdom is also the head of state of Australia. After Queen Elizabeth II passed away in 2022, her son King Charles III became the new monarch. Therefore, King Charles III is currently the head of state of Australia. Question 3. What is the official religion of Australia? A. Islam. B. Buddhism. C. Christianity. D. Australia has no official religion. Correct answer, D. Australia has no official religion. Australia does not have an official religion. The Australian Constitution protects freedom of religion, which allows people to practice any religion or no religion at all. The government does not favour one religion over others. Question 4. What type of government does Australia have? A. A constitutional monarchy. B. A parliamentary democracy. C. A presidential system. D. A constitutional monarchy and a parliamentary democracy. Correct answer, D. A constitutional monarchy and a parliamentary democracy. Australia has both a parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy. It is a parliamentary democracy because people vote to elect representatives to Parliament. It is a constitutional monarchy because Australia has a monarch as head of state, whose powers are limited by the Constitution. Question 5. What is the national anthem of Australia? A. Advance Australia Fair. B. Waltzing Matilda. C. I Still Call Australia Home. D. Down Under. Correct answer, A. Advance Australia Fair. Advance Australia Fair is the official national anthem of Australia. It is used at important national events and ceremonies. The other songs are popular and strongly associated with Australia, but they are not officially recognised as the national anthem. Question 6. Which animal is recognised as Australia's national animal? A. Tiger. B. Elephant. C. Emu. D. Kangaroo. Correct answer, D. Kangaroo. The kangaroo is recognised as Australia's national animal. It is native to Australia and is a strong symbol of the country. The kangaroo appears on the Australian coat of arms, coins, and many national emblems. Although the emu also appears on the coat of arms, the kangaroo is the animal most commonly recognised as Australia's national animal. Question 7. Which flower is recognised as Australia's national floral emblem? A. Lily, B. Golden wattle, C. Rose, D. Jacaranda. Correct answer, B. Golden wattle. The golden wattle is Australia's national flower. It is native to Australia and is known for its bright yellow flowers. The golden wattle is a national symbol and represents unity and resilience. Wattle Day is celebrated on the 1st of September each year. Question 8. Which colours are recognised as Australia's national colours? A. Red and yellow, B. Blue and white, C. Green and gold, D. Black and blue. Correct answer, C. Green and gold. Green and gold are Australia's national colours. They are taken from the colours of the golden wattle, Australia's national flower, and are widely used in national sports teams and official events. Question 9. How many points are shown on the Commonwealth Star? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. Correct answer, D. 7. The Commonwealth Star, which appears on the Australian flag, has 7 points. 6 points represent the 6 states of Australia. The 7th point represents the territories. This star is also known as the Federation Star and is an important national symbol of Australia. Question 10. What is the meaning of the term ANZAC? A. Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, B. Australia and New Zealand Allied Coalition, C. Australian Navy and Army Corps, D. Army Network of Australia and Zealand. Correct answer, A. Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. ANZAC is an acronym that stands for Australian and New Zealand Army Corps. It refers to the soldiers from Australia and New Zealand who served together, especially during World War I. The term is strongly associated with Anzac Day, which honours their service and sacrifice. Question 11. On which date is Australia Day celebrated? A. January the 1st, B. January the 26th, C. November the 26th, D. December the 25th. Correct answer, B. 26th January. Australia Day is celebrated on the 26th of January each year. This date marks the arrival of the First Fleet in 1788 and the beginning of European settlement in Australia. It is a national public holiday and is a day for celebrations, ceremonies and reflection on Australia's history. Question 12. Which Australian state covers the greatest area of land? A. South Australia, B. Queensland, C. New South Wales, D. The state of Western Australia. Correct answer, D. The state of Western Australia. Western Australia is the largest state in Australia when we look at land size. It takes up almost 1/3 of the country's total land area, which makes it much bigger than any other state. Some states, such as New South Wales, have a larger population, but Western Australia is the biggest by area, not by population. Question 13. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra, D. Perth. Correct answer C. Canberra. Canberra is the capital city of Australia. It was chosen as the capital to be a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne, which were the two largest cities at the time. Canberra is where the Australian Parliament and the federal government are located. Question 14. How many states are there in the Commonwealth of Australia? A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. Correct answer C6. Australia has 6 states: New South Wales, Victoria, Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia and Tasmania. In addition to the states, Australia also has territories, such as the Australian Capital Territory and the Northern Territory, but these are not counted as states. Question 15. Who were the first people to live in Australia? A. People who came from Europe, B. People who migrated from Asia, C. People from Pacific Island countries, D. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Correct answer D. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples lived in Australia for tens of thousands of years before European settlement. They have their own cultures, languages and traditions and are officially recognised as the first Australians. Their connection to the land is an important part of Australia's history and identity. Question 16. What does the spirit of mateship mean in Australia? A. Focusing only on personal success. B. Helping and supporting each other. C. Not caring about other people. D. Avoiding responsibility for others. Correct answer B. Helping and supporting each other. In Australia, mateship means looking out for one another and offering help when it is needed. It reflects values such as support, fairness and cooperation, and is an important part of Australian society. Question 17. In Australia, what equality do men and women have? A. They have no rights or opportunities. B. They have different rights depending on gender. C. They have the same opportunities but different rights. D. They have the same rights and opportunities. Correct answer D. They have the same rights and opportunities. In Australia, men and women are treated equally under the law. This means they have the same rights and the same opportunities, including in education, work, and participation in society. Gender should not affect a person's legal rights or chances in life. Question 18. Which gemstone is recognised as Australia's national gemstone? A. Gold, B. Diamond, C. Opal, D. Sapphire. Correct answer, C. Opal. The opal is Australia's national gemstone. Australia produces most of the world's opals and is famous for high-quality opals found in places such as Cuba Pedy. This is why the opal is an important national symbol. Question 19. When did the gold rush begin in Australia? A. In 1788, B. in 1851, C. in 1878, D. in 1991. Correct answer, B. in 1851. Australia's gold rush began in 1851, when gold was discovered in New South Wales and Victoria. This led to a rapid increase in population as people came from overseas and other parts of Australia to look for gold. The gold rush played an important role in Australia's economic growth and development. Question 20. What does the Commonwealth coat of arms represent? A. A traditional Australian flag. B. A symbol for the Australian states. C. The emblem used only by the military. D. The official symbol of the Commonwealth of Australia. Correct answer, D. The official symbol of the Commonwealth of Australia. The Commonwealth coat of arms is the official symbol of Australia. It represents the authority of the Australian government and is used on official documents, buildings and passports. The coat of arms includes national symbols such as the kangaroo, the emu and the Commonwealth Star, which reflect Australia's identity.
Thank you for watching. How many questions did you pass? Don't forget to like, subscribe for me. Bye.